My name is Peter Mwanja, and I come from the Uganda Association of Conference and Incentive Industry. We are the professional private sector body that brings together everyone who wants to play a part in MICE. And on that front, I want to introduce that we now have an annual expo similar to this that we shall be holding every February. So we want to invite you to take part in our Pearl of Africa Tourism Expo, or if you want to shorten it, Poate. Poate will be a 4-day conference, and we shall be inviting buyers and exhibitors and the press. So from the 9th of February up to 12th February, we will have a farm trip and educational for everybody to test, feel, and enjoy the MICE facilities and the green and lush environment that we have in the country. I will be chairing that party. I did that 2 years ago, and I'm carrying on with that. So I'm sure that you will have a good stay. I also want to tell you about the MICE, the incentive opportunities in our country. In Uganda, you can experience highlands, and you go to lush vegetation, come to farmland in half a day. And you're meeting different environments, different cultures, but the same smile all across. So what a better way and a better space for you to bring your incentive travel. I welcome you, Karim San.